For the BJT Q1 in the circuit shown below, beta equal to infinity, VBE on equal to 0.7 volt, VCE saturation equal to 0.7 volt. The switch is initially closed. The time t equal to 0, the switch is opened. The time t at which Q1 leaves the active region is. The options are 10 millisecond, 25 millisecond, 50 millisecond, 100 millisecond. Okay. This is a bit typical question from analog circuits. This also needs some network theory part. Okay. We'll solve this question now. First of all, what he has given, beta is infinity, means IC equal to beta IB, like this we use, right? Some equations like this we may use. Okay. And VBE on 0.7 volt, VCE saturation 0.7 volt he has given. Up till t equal to 0, the switch is closed, it seems. Up till t equal to 0, the switch is closed only. At t equal to 0, it has opened. Okay. Now, I don't know in which region it is, but at which time will it leave the active region he is asking. Okay, we will go step by step. First of all, we'll draw this circuit. At t equal to 0 minus, means just before the instant he has opened the switch. Okay, just before the instant he has opened the switch, what is the situation? Since just before the switch is closed, it is in this way. Okay, and the capacitor is present. 5 mu farad is the capacitor. We can neglect this. Why? Because it is ground, there is no effect. 0 volt, 0 volt. Therefore, capacitor cannot charge or discharge. Okay, this is the situation we have now. Now, it is minus 5 volt and minus 10 volt. So, there is a possibility that 0.7 drop can exist here. Okay, if 0.7 drop exists here, what is the voltage at this point? Minus 5 minus 0.7, that is minus 5.7 volt. Okay, therefore this is all analysis at t equal to 0 minus I am doing. What is the current through this? Minus 5.7, okay, minus 10 by 4.3 kilo ohm. V1 minus V2 by R is the current, that is 4.3 by 4.3 kilo, that is nothing but 1 milliampere, right? Therefore I, what do I call this? I emitter current, that is the current through the emitter. Okay, I emitter current is 1 milliampere. Now what is the relation between IE and IC? IC is equal to alpha times IE. And what is the relation between beta and alpha? Alpha equal to beta by beta plus 1. But how much is beta given? Infinity. Therefore alpha is nearly 1 or equal to 1. Therefore IC, what can I say, is equal to IE at this situation. Okay. So what is IE here? This is not IE. This is IE. IC, people think it is IC, but IC is the current that is coming into the collector exactly. That is IC. That is how much? 1 milliampere. Okay. Now 1 milliampere is coming through this point. Okay. And from here 0.5 milliampere. So from here how much it should come? 0.5 milliampere, right? Therefore 0.5 milliampere is coming from ground. Don't think from ground. Ground means here minus 10 volt and ground. That ground and this ground are combined. Therefore somewhere the circuit is closed, the current is moving in that direction. Okay. So 0.5 milliampere current is coming in from this point. Now at t equal to 0 plus situation, we will draw the diagram. Okay. Before that, first of all, see, this is in active region. Why? Because this is 0 volt, right? Since it is ground, it is 0 volt and VBE is greater than 0. VBE is how much? Greater than 0. Then I am having IE also. IE is positive. I am having IE current and VBE is equal to 0.7 and VCE is how much? 5.7. Therefore it is okay. It is in active region. Now at t equal to 0 plus, we will analyze the circuit. Okay. I am drawing a t equal to 0 plus situation. At t equal to 0 plus, how much this is? 5 volt it is giving and this is 0.5. Since at t equal to 0, they have removed the switch is open. I am drawing. At t equal to 0 minus, we had this situation where 0.5 milliampere is coming from here. At t equal to 0 plus also, this 0.7 volt is maintained, right? Potential difference. Therefore at this point how much we have? Minus 5.7 volt. And therefore the current through this comes to be 1 milliampere as the previous calculation. Same as previous calculation. Therefore since alpha is approximately equal to 1, IC should be 1 milliampere. So now 0.5 milliampere who will give? Not from ground. 0.5 milliampere we will get from capacitor, right? Therefore the capacitor has 0.5 milliampere. Now see, I equal to C dV by dt. This is the basic equation of capacitor, right? Therefore V is how much? I will call this as V, and this is all the same point. Therefore this is nothing but V. Okay, V equal to 1 by C integral I dt. What is I? The current through the capacitor. Now V equal to 1 by 5 mu integral, what is the current moving through the capacitor? Through the capacitor it is minus 0.5 milli. Because outside capacitor it is going 0.5. Therefore inside capacitor it is minus 0.5. Right? Minus 0.5 milli into dt. What is the integration of this? V is equal to 1 by 5 mu into minus 0.5 milli into t. Okay. Here note, when VCE means VC, this is nothing but VC. V is nothing but VC also we can say. Not V capacitor, V collector. VCE, C increases slowly, is equal to VC minus VE. But when it becomes 0.2, right, initially how much is the voltage here? 0. Since when switch is closed, it is 0 volt. Initially at t equal to 0 minus, up to 0 minus, up from minus infinite time to 0 minus. What is VC? Is equal to 0. Okay. What is VCE? Is equal to 0 minus E is how much? VE is minus 5.7. Therefore it is 5.7 volt. Okay. Now after t at t equal to 0 plus, comma, t greater than 0, means not only at t equal to 0 plus, after t greater than 0, VCE slowly decreases. Okay. Means at some point VCE is equal to VC minus VE is equal to 0.2. Means slowly from 5.7 it is decreased to 0.2. At this point we call saturation region. After this the transistor will be in saturation region. Okay. Therefore VCE is equal to VC minus VE is always how much? Minus 5.7 volt. Right. Minus 5.7 volt is equal to, here he has given VCE saturation is also 0.7 volt. See here. VCE saturation is also 0.7 volt. Okay. Therefore this is 0.7 volt. Is equal to 0.7. Therefore VCE is how much? 0.7 minus 5.7. Therefore VC is equal to minus 5 volt. When VC becomes minus 5 volt, then it has come into saturation. When will VC become minus 5 volt? When, see from this equation, V is the voltage at VC, that is V is nothing but VC, right? V is equal to, from here what can I write? Minus 0.1 into milli by mu into time, right? Now it is minus 5 is equal to minus 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 by 10 power minus 6 into t, which implies t is how much? 5 into 10 power minus 6 by 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 1 is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to 50 millisecond, right? At t equal to 50 millisecond, what is happening? The transistor is going into saturation. Up till then it was in active region. Now at t equal to 50 millisecond, it has left the active region and it went to saturation region, right? Therefore 50 millisecond, C is the correct option.